the Foreign Minister of the State of Eritrea, His Excellency Osman Saleh Mohammed, and the Foreign Minister of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, His Excellency Wargane Gebiyahu, paid an official visit to Mogadishu, Somalia on 17 October 2018. The visit was part of the heightened diplomatic cooperation between the three nations and the continuing dialogue process following the trilateral agreement signed by the leaders of Eritrea, Ethiopia, and Somalia in Asmara in September 2018. During the visit, the foreign ministers were received by the Somali foreign minister, and they paid a courtesy call on His Excellency Mohammed Abdullahi Mohammed Farmacho, President of the Federal Republic of Somalia. The ministers also held talks with Prime Minister His Excellency Hassan Ali Khaire. In the course of the engagements, the leaders discussed progress on the trilateral agreement of joint cooperation in the economic, political, and security fields, and reaffirmed their continued commitment to contributing jointly to peace, stability, and progress in the Horn of Africa. The leaders also considered the positive developments in the region since the signing of the trilateral agreement, such as the reopening of borders between Ethiopia and Eritrea and the resumption of direct commercial flights to the capitals of all the three nations. While conveying messages on behalf of their heads of state and government, the foreign ministries of Eritrea and Ethiopia reaffirmed their firm support for the Federal Republic of Somalia and the Somali people. The ministers commended the recent progress made by the federal government of Somalia in their reforms of the economic and security sectors, as well as the progress on the various political processes. The foreign ministers appreciate the Somali people and federal government's reform efforts, expressing the growing trust in Somalia's institutions by the international community. The ministers reiterated that Eritrea and Ethiopia will continue to stand firmly by the people of Somalia and its leadership as they present the best hope for the nation's recovery. They called upon the entire international community to stand united in support of the federal government's efforts in pursuing much-needed reforms to foster Somalia's long-term recovery. Ministers of Eritrea and Ethiopia appeal to all stakeholders, internal or external, to work towards the peace and stability of Somalia, while reaffirming their mutual respect for the sovereign territorial integrity, political independence of all three nations. The leaders restated their commitment to the security, prosperity, and stability of the region. At the end of the visit, the foreign ministers expressed their sincere gratitude for the cordial hospitality accorded to them and their delegation. Thank you.